Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever and whatever time you are watching this unboxing video. I am just sharing with you today my lovely gift from Sarah Flint NYC. Head over to SarahFlint.com to check out their glorious shoes. Why not use my code for $50 off of your first purchase? There you have it. Sarah Flint -BALASHAWNA, and you'll get $50 off of that purchase. I'm just taking some time to let you take in the unboxing. These shoes have an amazing padding area for your foot. There is beautiful stitching on the back. The heel is still reinforced, and they are just comfortable, ladylike. You'll see here as I pull the shoe out that I have this beautiful sand color, which is beautiful for all seasons, I believe, because it's a neutral, it's a nude. Perfect for spring, summertime, fall, and in the winter when you're wearing those beautiful taupes and browns. Go ahead and throw this on as well. I love these shoes. But check out Sarah Flint. They even have different heel sizes for the ladies who aren't quite into the high heel. There's a mid heel, and they have low heels, as well as flats and sandals. I just love the individual shoe bags they come in. The material is just so soft and just gorgeous to touch. Look at how ladylike and delicate that is. Everything, the care, the packaging, the way they've wrapped and just put the beautiful ribbon there. Come on, ladies, don't you want to walk like a woman? Bye for now. Thanks for watching.